Hi kids, today we are going to learn different shapes. So, are you ready? Let's start. I am a square. You can see me everywhere. I have 4 sides. I am a square. I am a circle. I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I am a circle, round and round. I am a triangle. I am a pointy little shape. I have 3 sides. I am a rectangle. I got really long square. I have 4 sides. I am a star in the sky so far. I have 5 pointy arms. I am a heart. I am so curvy and so smart. I am a really lovely shape. I am a diamond. You can see me on a ring. I am so shiny and so bright. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel.